Look at our walking man. A card from Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, be careful. Yay, Trace. Say hip hip hooray. You gonna walk to Daddy and Keeper? Watch out, Keeper. Clear the road. Say meh, 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 meh. Watch out, Dad. Move out of my way. I'm trying to keep going here.
Where are you going?
Whoa, Timber! Yay, Trace! Upsies! And come see Mama? Look where you're going. This way. Ah. Hi! Look at you, big boy. You're gonna open your mouth, see how many teeth we got. We got 5 jumpers. Oh, watch out! You get at the table. Daddy will help you straighten out. You'll get your license another day, right? This is your test drive? Oh, watch out. Here comes Trace. Meep, meep. There's a horsey in your way. Meep, meep. Yay, buddy. Wow, Timber. What'd you find? Oh, you gonna push it like that? And get up. Oh, you're looking for the toy. Here, I'll hold the toy and you get up. Oh, good boy. All right, here you go. You gotta use 2 hands. You're not allowed to drive with 1 hand. You need a Bluetooth. Yay! Oh, this is a big walk. Whoa. Timber! Say bye, everyone. Thanks for watching my first step. And my big crawl. Now I have a big boy crawl. No more commando crawl. Oh, is that your friend Dyson? His best friend, the vacuum.